Welcome to Julie Guru channel and I hope you enjoy today video. Like, comment and subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome. My name is Julie, and if you are an oldie but a goodie, hi, how are you? Today we're gonna do a summer makeup routine. I don't wear a lot of makeup in the summer, it's too hot for all that. If you wanted a full face, I'm sorry, this is not that video. But let's get started, and I'm gonna show you each and every step of my routine. So first, we're going to go in with this Essence primer. Now, if you're wearing a full face or not a full face, you should always wear primer. Now I'm going to let that set in. And while I let that set in, I'm going to curl my lashes. Because why not? It don't matter how you do your routine. You can do it any way you want. It's your face, and if nobody likes it, oh well, that's on them. So, it's starting to get sticky. You see how it's bouncy? That's what you want. Next, I'm taking this concealer, okay? We're gonna put it under our eye here. Do a little bit more. I hate these contraptions. These ones, you know. Now, we'll take our Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and we are gonna go under and we're gonna blend it out. This is a 5-step makeup routine. We're going to do the same on the other eye. Again, you can do your makeup in any order you please. It's your face. If nobody likes it, you tell them it's none of their business. Because who cares? It's just makeup at the end of the day. Okay, now that is done and over with, before I move on to my next step, I like to go in with this sealer stuff. This is what I like to do, and my ring light, I don't know why it's acting dead. I'm so sorry about that. So, I'm gonna wait for this to dry for a minute, and yeah, it's dead. How are we all doing? Are we doing good? Are we great? I missed you. I will be doing a Q&A, probably to explain why I've been gone for so long, but yeah. So, then we're gonna take our blush, and we're gonna just put it on our face. I like the sunburn effect. Y'all don't have to do the sunburn effect if you don't like. Again, it is your face. Okay? Again, if they do not like it, it is none of their business. Just blend, 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 blend. Also, this is a no foundation look. If I forgot to mention that, we are not putting foundation on because, again, it is too hot for that. Okay, once you look a little sunburnt. Okay. Next, once our concealer has, dried a little bit, just go in with the powder. How was everybody's 4th? Did we have a fun 4th of July? I did not do anything. I stayed at my house. But I love to hear y'all guys' stories about your 4th. If you want to leave them in the comments, you don't have to, but yeah. Okay. Once that is set, next we are gonna go in with our lip product. Most of the stuff is Dollar Tree, if I forgot to mention. What I like to do is I like to do this. I like to pat it. Instead of rub. See, this color is pretty. I don't have big lips. And so sometimes when I put too much lip product on, it just makes it look funny and not the way I want it to look. So now we're going to go back in with our setting spray. We're going to set it again. We enjoying the video so far? Yeah, we like it? Let that set in for a minute. You use a fan or you can use your hands. I like to use my hands. You may look like a weird, but do whatever. Sorry. Now I take my mascara. This is the last and final step of today's tutorial. We'll just go in and technical difficulties, folks. Everyone has technical difficulties on their YouTube videos. So, anyway. Well, that was today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want more of these type of videos. Alright, love you guys.
Hope you enjoy this week
Bye.
video. Make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.